Welcome back to High Five Garage. In this video, we're going to finish off doing some odds and ends on the interior and the exterior of the 1977 bus. First step, install a stereo. So, I got some cheap speakers from O'Reilly's as well as some wire and a old style stereo from my stepfather, Peter. Thank you again. This was in his boat and it's just, you know, old enough and new enough to work in our bus. Like most stereos, it's got a harness and a spot for an antenna, as well as a diagram on top, so this should be really easy to install. Take off the faceplate through the knobs, feed it through the back, put the knobs on, should be secured. There might be mounting spots, I'm gonna see, and then the speakers are gonna get mounted in the rear panels. First step, remove the glove box. There is one Phillips screw holding the strap, and then the glove box will come out. From here, I'm gonna remove the front knobs. Okay, I'm gonna put them on the sides that they go. This one, this one, this one, this one, and then there's that. Don't forget that washer, and then there's the little screws. So take off the screws, take off faceplate, stick it through. What I'm gonna do is take out the harness first. Deal with that in a minute. And put that through, see how it fits. Okay. I think I'm gonna need to do some bending so that I can get it straight. Okay, now it fits a whole lot straighter, which is good. I can put it pretty much where I want, and with the plate, it almost fits. Now, do I want to cut down? Yeah, I think I do. I think I'm gonna trim these sides so that this piece fits in there, and that'll make it a little better. So it seems like I just need to round off the edges. So I'm gonna go over here. Since it's plastic, should be pretty easy. Turn this on. And round off the edge. All right, let's see how this fits now. Ooh. Oh yeah, perfect. All right, it's in, so just tighten down the screws as much as you can. I think I need to make a little bracket for the back, but definitely matches the bus pretty well, which is awesome. Now with any stereo, you're gonna have a power, you're gonna have an accessory, and you're gonna have a ground, and then the rest, there's an amp and whatever, but the rest of them are just speakers. So the main three I need to focus on to get this thing powered up and make sure everything works is these three. First wire I'm gonna focus on is this one because it was already running to the stereo, and ground will be easy because I can just ground it to anything on the chassis, but this one was already going to the stereo, so let's see if this is live or this is switched. So currently nothing. Okay, so we'll put the key on. Okay, key is on, and that is on now, so that is actually switched. Awesome. Ground wire, I've got a million of these. They got little eyelets on them, and I think I'm just gonna look for a screw, something like this one right here, and I'll just run it across it and up and to the plug. I got the ground hooked up over there and then soldered to the plug. The plug positives are currently just wrapped on the ignition one, so I just want to see if it turns on. Oh, heck yeah, cool. Well, at least I know it works. It was making a noise like it had a tape in it, and sure enough, it did have a tape in it. So I'm gonna have to get this back to Peter. Scorpions Best of Rockers and Ballads. Or, that's just part of this bus now. We'll see. Okay, so I hooked up the antenna, and I really quick have this speaker spliced in. And once again, I just wanna make sure that things work. Put the key in. Ignition on, radio on. Oh, there's already stuff coming out of it. So let me try to get it to something that, heck yeah. I'm gonna have to blur that out, but trust me, it's playing. I'm gonna finish wiring everything up so it turns on everything is safe, and then we'll start running the wires to the back for the speakers. A little update. Speakers are mounted, wires are ran underneath here, through the center, then underneath here, and up over there. Just need to connect them to the connector, plug it in, see how it does. Okay, everything's done. That took way too long. I had wiring issues. It's a long story, but it's in, it works. I can't play anything because of copyright stuff. So you're gonna just have to take my word for it. Good morning, Turbo. Good morning, come here. Come say hi. The last test drive was good, but we kind of figured out what needed to be fixed, what needed to be changed, stuff like that. And all of it's done. Main one is the leaks, the oil leaks, the valve covers. So I redid them while I was doing everything else. Didn't want to do a video, or didn't want to record it because, well, it's just the same thing. And this is hopefully the ride that we get to see if they're sealed or not. So much other things have changed, and I am gonna take it to get coffee. I made a deal with the bus. If it doesn't leak a lot like last time and makes there flawlessly, whatever, does great, stereo works, then I will finally wash the bus, because I still haven't washed it since we pulled it out of the field. I just checked the oil, and even with it leaking, it was only a little bit low, so I filled that up. Made sure to fill up the coolant, make sure that was all bled, put some exhaust fluid in it, and I need to check the Blinkler fluid, but that doesn't work anyway, so it doesn't need it. Thank you, Burbo. Thank you. Okay, let's open up the gate. Kind of hook up the battery. I keep disconnecting it just in case there is something wrong with electrical. I don't want to wake up and the battery be dead, but once we start driving it more, I'll just leave it hooked up. Take out the brick. Okay. Make sure the valve cover band is on. It is on. Okay. Make sure on the other side. Yep. Okay. Moment of truth. And I grabbed the wrong keys. 1 second. Okay. Got the right keys this time. Too many Volkswagens. Can never have too many Volkswagens. Probably shouldn't have said that. Ugh. All right. Oh, we got stereo now. Heck yeah! Woo! Probably has enough fuel. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so good. That motor runs so good. Woo! Stereo works. Okay, I'm gonna let it warm up and then pull it out. Okay, well, it wanted to warm up right away, so I'll back her out. Ugh. Runs so good. Okay. It's amazing. I'm gonna go check on some leaks. I am so confident on how clean the bus is that I am actually gonna wear a white shirt. Thanks, Cruz. Okay. She's been warming up for a little bit. Yeah, sounds good. I don't see any oil leaks, which is awesome. All right, let's take her for a spin. All right, let's go get some coffee and some breakfast and some gas and wash the bus. Or I should just take it somewhere. I don't know, we'll see. Something's clicking in the steering. I need to figure that out. I gotta replace the blinker switch anyway. Yeah, I gotta figure that out. Something's loose in the steering, so it's probably all related. Feels about the same. I mean, the main thing is the oil leak and then the creature comfort. Not the fastest thing, that's for sure. Shifts through the gears real nice though. It's so good. Doing good. Okay, breakfast, coffee, success, and the bus seems to be a success as well. The valve cover is not leaking, so that's good. I've decided I'm just gonna take it down to the car wash because it'll be easier and I can use their scrubbies. So then I don't waste gas and I don't mess up our scrubbies on the nasty outside of this bus. So I'm gonna go home really quick, get some change, probably change, get out of this white shirt, and then yeah, take it to the car wash. Okay, the bus made it home. I did stop at O'Reilly's because I thought about it. I wanted a cassette adapter. This one's actually from the truck. I got a Bluetooth one for my truck. And then I also got wiper blades because I accidentally hit the wiper all the time and it makes a screeching noise and I don't like it. So let's go to the car wash and clean it. I think it's about that time. All right, made it to the car wash. Check it out. It is never gonna look like this again, at least in my ownership. I'm so looking forward to seeing how this blue comes out, even without a polish. Heck yeah. Okay, I'll video most of it. Let's do this.